Trees take 30 to 100 years to mature, but cultivated bamboo requires only 3 to 5 years to reach harvestable age. As one of the fastest growing plants in the world, bamboo boasts remarkable regenerative abilities and does not require replanting after each harvest. Each year, the global bamboo yield is estimated at millions of tons, serving diverse industries such as construction, household goods manufacturing, paper production, food, and even housing. Now, let's take a tour and explore a bamboo farm, where the secrets of cultivating this extraordinary plant are unveiled. The exceptional growth rate of bamboo compared to traditional timber is striking, requiring only 5 to 7 years to mature versus 30 to 100 years for conventional trees. Only 1 acre of bamboo is needed to build a 1,000 square foot house, compared to 12 acres of forest for the same purpose. This method not only conserves labor, but is also well suited for rugged mountainous terrain where machinery is difficult to operate. The process of harvesting and transporting bamboo from the forest to the base of the mountain is highly challenging. In the trend of green and sustainable living, bamboo products are increasingly popular due to their eco-friendliness and high utility. Disposable bamboo chopsticks serve as an excellent alternative to plastic or other single-use chopsticks, offering a safe choice for health while contributing to planet protection. After shaping, the bamboo chopsticks are washed in an anti-mold solution to enhance durability and prevent bacteria and mold growth. They are placed in a drying kiln for sterilization to ensure hygiene before packaging. The bamboo spoon shaping press transforms the material into aesthetically pleasing spoons, using high temperature and pressure to mold the product according to the design. In addition to bamboo spoons, bamboo forks are an eco-friendly product offering both convenience and sustainability. Each year, millions of plastic straws flood the world, contributing significantly to environmental pollution. Bamboo straws emerge as the best eco-friendly alternative, offering a sustainable and biodegradable solution. Bamboo absorbs CO2 efficiently, helping to reduce the greenhouse effect when used as a substitute for other building materials. Bamboo is a natural material commonly used for paper production due to its long, durable, and easily recyclable cellulose fibers. Using bamboo for paper production not only reduces pressure on forests, but also contributes to environmental protection due to bamboo's rapid renewability. If you want to witness the fascinating intricacies of these production lines and delve deeper how these factories work, then you can watch our next videos here. After being carefully collected from these natural straw nests, the eggs are taken to be used in the breeding process. Each egg is marked with a number to facilitate easy tracking and monitoring throughout the incubation period. As they grow, the goslings are carefully nurtured with a nutritious diet and spacious living conditions. During this stage, They are occasionally allowed outdoors in the garden to improve their mood and well-being. In reality, this is the most challenging stage of their lives, aimed at achieving the best liver yield from each goose. Farmers use specialized feeding machines. This is a technique commonly employed during the process of raising geese for enlarged livers. Workers use precision knives to make an incision in the lower body of the goose, creating an opening to access the liver. The liver is carefully extracted by hand by a team of skilled workers, ensuring it is not damaged, maintaining its quality and characteristic color. Depending on the intended use, in addition to the whole liver, some are transferred to a processing area to be made into canned pâté. The goose liver is ground together with a mixture of spices and water, creating a smooth, rich blend with a distinct flavor. Goose meat is also one of the premium ingredients highly sought after in the global culinary market. In the initial step, workers and machinery separate the breast meat, the most favored part due to its tenderness and high nutritional value. Finally, the sorted breast, thigh, and wing cuts are carefully packed into individual, vacuum-sealed bags for better preservation before being distributed to the market. Additionally, goose feathers are very useful to humans. They are not only well known for their softness and lightness, but also for their excellent warmth retention. And that is the journey from healthy geese to premium products such as exquisite foie gras and high-quality goose meat. If you want to witness the fascinating intricacies of these production lines and delve deeper how these factories work, then you can watch our next videos here.